It is 2 weeks in the hair growth challenge, and I'm here with your update. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. Proverbs 3 verse 5. Beautiful, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. And just in case we are meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles, and also my hair loss practitioner, so I do hair loss treatments as well. So on this channel I post videos on how to care for your natural hair, natural hairstyles, and just everything regarding your natural hair health. So if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe. I like to laugh too. So in this video today, I'll be telling you about my hair growth challenge update, what I've been doing to my hair since I braided it, and also what I plan to do this coming week. Hope you follow me. And I also will be doing my hair today. By doing, I mean I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm going to be using a co-wash, and I'm going to be telling you about the vitamins that I'm going to start taking as well. Also, I'll be deep conditioning my hair, moisturizing my hair. So I have a full house of activity for today, so you don't want to miss that. So grab your cup of tea, grab your comb, whatever you're going to do while you're watching me, and let's go. And if you're hearing some woo, it's just the wind. I hope you can still hear me with all the wind. It's just so nice. It's morning and it's so nice. It's 2 weeks since I've started back the hair growth challenge, and we're challenging ourselves to grow our 4C hair or type 4 hair, regardless of whatever texture natural hair that you have, back to waist length, as you guys may have known or may not have known. If you haven't seen that video, by the way, you need to go see it. I chopped my waist length 4C hair off, and I'm back on the journey. It has been 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. This is the length that I'm starting with. Pretty much shrinkage, yeah, but this is the length we're starting with to go back to waist length. Hopefully we can get there within the next 3 to 4 years. Yeah, hopefully. Anyways, so what I've basically been doing to my hair is just oiling my scalp at night, spritzing my hair with water, and putting in my leave-in conditioner onto my hair. But I did not wash my hair before I started braiding it. Yeah, the last time I washed my hair before I braided it was like 2 weeks. So my scalp feels so miserable. And I planned that after I started braiding it, like once I was done, I was just going to wash it, because it's easier to wash it after the braids, because the detangling and the way how my scalp feels sensitive and all. But I ended up braiding my hair for like 1 whole week. So by the time I was done, I was just too busy. So now my scalp is extra miserable. So today I'm going to be co-washing my hair, not using a shampoo because I'm just lazy. Anyway, I don't really feel like using a shampoo today. So I'm just going to co-wash my hair, deep condition my hair, moisturize my hair, and I'll be using my ginger and onion oil on my scalp. And that has been really helping me. If you remember what my scalp looked like, I had the wide part in here, section of hair was bald, and around here as well. As you can see, it is really filling in nicely. I will definitely do a video with updating you on my alopecia, but it is really filling out nice thanks to my ginger and onion oil and other stuff that I've been using. I recently decided I'm going to be using this vitamin. It's XTC Hair Growth System. And yes, I provide these for my clients that have alopecia. Not only these, I have the whole kit with the hair boost system, and also I'm doing laser treatments as well for hair regrowth for person that have alopecia. But the thing about it, you can't go on Amazon or on, yeah, you can't just get these. These have to be sold to you by a salon professional or somebody that is licensed to sell it. But the thing about it, my clients have first hand. Yeah, them have gold spoon in their mouth. Right, so basically I'll be taking these. You're supposed to be taking 2 per day. I hope I can keep up with that, but I'll try to. The only reason why I'll be taking these is because of my alopecia. As you can see, my alopecia, no, you can't see, but like I said umpteen times before, my alopecia is not caused because of traction. I mean, it's not because of tight styles or anything. So because of stress and other internal factors, I have an autoimmune disease that basically attack my hair cells, and that cause my hair to fall out. So taking that vitamin is a good idea to block DHT and all sorts of different hormones that we don't want up there. So you don't have to take it, but if you have alopecia, hit me up and I'll question you to see what type of alopecia you have and to decide what treatments are best for you, and we sort out a way to get them shipped to you or something. I don't know. Anyways, now let's jump into what I'm going to be doing today so you can follow. If you have braids, let me know if you're going to be doing braids as your protective style, but just in case you're not doing braids and you're doing a style that you have to take down like every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, you can do what I'm doing today in between those styles. You can either do a co-wash or you do a full shampoo and conditioner, do a deep conditioner, and then moisturize and seal your hair. You don't have to use the oils that I use or the products that I use, because I understand everyone don't have the same porosity as me. Everybody don't have the same texture as me, so you work different with different products. Whatever works for you, use that. Okay, this is a freestyle hair journey, and it's, you know what I like about this hair journey, it won't be expensive. Like literally you'll be using mostly DIY products, and trust me, they work. Don't follow what the media is saying about, oh, DIY don't work because you need to get this extracted from that and it doesn't work. Trust me, I've been doing this for years. The clients that I've been using expensive products on, they see results, yeah, but after a while their hair start breaking, or if that doesn't happen, I see far greater progress with clients that I've been using strictly DIY deep conditioners and hair treatments and hair oils on their hair and their scalp. So take it from the professional, it does work. Bye, Felicia. No, sorry, it's not Felicia, it's Karen this time. Baby, I go wash my hair now because my dad, you talk too much. You guys must be saying she talks too much. Yeah, and Jamaicans would say she chat too much. Anyway, let's wash. So this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil for natural hair, they say. Creamy hydration, co-wash, cleansing conditioner. Yeah, it's soon finished. I've been using it. I had it forever, but I've been using it. And don't ask me, I don't remember where I got this. I think it's easy to get. Wash my hair, I'm gonna basically just remove the excess water from my hair, and then I'm gonna be using my deep conditioner. What I'll be using to deep condition my hair is the banana deep conditioner that I did a video on that, so y'all can see that. Another person have been commenting that sometimes they do the treatment and they have clumps of banana left in their hair. Honey, that's just because you're not blending it smooth enough. Try to blend it as smooth as possible, and that way you won't end up with clumps. Some person even strain it. I don't know, y'all get banana to strain, but whatever. Anyway, do whatever you must. Right, so now that my hair is nice and clean, my scalp feels so much better already. That I like to wash my hair outdoors simply because that always give me a nice massage, like the pressure of the water from the hose. Y'all should try that sometime. So this is what it looks like. And no, and this is not, I made this, so I don't waste stuff, so I just put it in a shea butter container that I just took the shea butter out of. This is what it looks like. No molasses is in this one, but you can use molasses or honey, you can use them interchangeably. If you watch the other video, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. So first I'm applying it to my scalp. Woo. It smells so good. I could eat it right now, literally, but because I have it in a container where I had shea butter, I won't eat it this time. smells so good. And then you do your ends. Make sure your ends get all of that good stuff. Tell me if I missed the spot, right? So it's okay then. Alright, thank y'all. My hair feels so soft already. I'm just gonna twist this up. So I put in my steam cap on. Wait. I'll just use one this time. I'm just wiping around to remove any extra mess because I'll be putting my microwavable heat cap on. I got this from Jenny from HairTuber. I love this so much. Second time using it. Oh, so hot.
That's so hot, Mommy.
So this is gonna be 30 minutes. If it gets too cool, I'll just put it back in the microwave for like a minute on each side and I'm good to go again. So let's get a long wait. Are we there yet? Not yet. While I was waiting on my hair to be deep conditioned for 30 minutes, the rain came down. No, that's why I'm inside. So you notice a change of background, change of clothes and everything. I already washed the deep conditioner out of my hair. It is still wet. So what I'm going to do is now apply my leave-in conditioner mix, my Shea Butter Recipe mix to my hair. Here it is. It has leave-in conditioner, shea butter, oils and different good stuff in it. I did a video on how I made that. I'm going to link it to the end of this one so you can see it and also in the description. That alongside with my banana deep conditioning video and also my ginger and rosemary and ginger and onion oil in the description. So you guys can check it to see the recipe and what I did in those videos. So I'm going to basically moisturize my hair. I won't be putting any oils on my scalp now, just giving my scalp a few hours to breathe. Now I can't breathe when I'm having oils, but tonight I'll put the oils on my scalp. So I'm just applying my leave-in conditioner recipe. It's shea butter, and what I like about this, it keeps my hair super moisturized for days, literally. So once my hair is, so if you haven't just washed your hair, you can just spritz it with a little bit of water. Steven, I'm trying to make a video in here. You're making too much noise. That's my baby, my toddler. Right, so I'm not going to be editing this out, by the way, just so y'all know. Right, so I'm just applying this to my hair. Ensure that your ends get a lot of it. And don't worry about the residue that you're seeing, the yellow stuff. By the time, probably by the next half an hour or so or less, by the time your hair starts getting dry, all of that will melt and disappear. So I'm not putting anything on my scalp now, just putting in at my edges. And once, the thing about plaits, when I wash it, it doesn't shrink that much. It does shrink. So what I'm gonna do is just braid my hair in two to keep it stretched as it dries. I know it's Sunday, y'all, but I have to go to work, so I'm going to go to work with my hair like this. By the time I reach there, all of this will be melted anyway, so not to worry about that. Hear my son whispering. You're being a good boy. You're being a very good boy, Steve-O. You're not even answering me. And that's just about it. So for the rest of the week, this is what I'll be doing. Well, tomorrow I won't be doing it, but the other day after tomorrow, I'll be just spritzing my hair with my leave-in conditioner, moisture recipe with that's just water with oils and stuff. So that's it for today. I'll keep you in the know throughout the week. Yeah, I'll do a live session. I'll be answering your questions, your concern, what's happening to you on your hair growth journey. By the way, let me know how you feel about this hair growth journey, if you're all fired up or if you're all like, yeah, whatever. I'm dragging myself into this. Until next time, remember, Jesus love you. Be good.